Safe braking with ABS from Bosch. The need to be mobile is rising. Traffic is growing ever heavier. Critical traffic scenarios are increasing. With unclear traffic situations, suddenly occurring traffic jams, or obstacles, sometimes only full braking can save the situation. When applying full brakes in critical situations, or when braking on slippery roadways, the wheels can lock. The vehicle can no longer react to the driver's steering because the locked wheels can no longer convey the optimum braking power and necessary turning force to the street. It hence becomes nearly impossible to evade an obstacle. ABS, the anti-lock braking system from Bosch, prevents locking of the wheels. ABS ensures that the vehicle remains steerable and stable while fully applying the brakes. The ABS control unit also continuously monitors all wheels by means of wheel speed sensors. Should the system recognize that a wheel is locked, ABS immediately intervenes and systematically regulates braking pressure. ABS can regulate each individual wheel within milliseconds. With the electronic anti-lock braking system, a sort of electronic intermittent braking, ABS achieves stability and steerability with the shortest possible braking distance. Let's have a look at the ABS benefits in practice. Full braking at 100 kilometers per hour. With ABS, the braking distance is significantly shorter and the vehicle remains stable. Full braking in a curve. Without ABS, should the wheels lock while applying full brakes along a curve, the vehicle can no longer be steered and slips out of the curve. With ABS, you have the vehicle under control and you can steer systematically. Full braking and swerving. Should the braking distance not suffice, the driver must swerve to evade the obstacle. Without ABS, the vehicle cannot respond to the driver's steering attempts. With ABS, your vehicle remains steerable and stable. A collision is thus avoidable. Full braking on different surfaces. Traction on lanes may vary due to volatile weather, dirt, and foliage. When fully applying brakes without ABS, the vehicle can quickly become unstable. With ABS, the vehicle remains stable, even in this situation, with an optimal braking distance. In everyday life, these abilities of ABS are vital. ABS prevents the locking of wheels when applying full brakes. It shortens your braking distance and ensures that the car remains steerable and stable. ABS is essential for your safety. Safe braking with ABS from Bosch. Bosch, invented for life.